Good morning. Okay, so squaring up here. Doing the 3-4-5. There it is. So what I did is went 3 times 7 is 21 on the back wall, 4 times 7 is 28 on this wall, and then I just put that fastener in there, hole I drilled, and now I'm at 30. 7 times 5 is 35, and now I'll snap a line right through there. And that will make it square. There we go. Nice. Okay, I almost forgot to show this. So this is different than what I'm used to. We put the sill gasket on. So what I got to do is I got to find these bolts. Do that by lining it up the red line. Okay, tap it. So there's a bolt right here. Okay. That'll put an impression in the wood. I don't know if you can see it. Dust it off. Set it on. There it is. Okay, and I got these 2 pieces, and then the upper part of the sill plates are on. Okay, so now we need to fasten these pressure treated plates down. I don't know if this has to be straight. One of many. Two. Oh. Come on, red line, show yourself. Yep. And so on. Final 2. Okay, So the pressure treat plate is now fastened, so the next thing is there's a bearing wall up against that foundation wall. There's a bearing wall here, there, and one over there. So I'll sweep that off and get the pressure treated plates ready to go. Okay, so measured for these bearing walls in. It was 26 feet from that side to here to the center. So I'll take 1 3/4 off. Run the string line. Pull it taut. It's a good word, taut. It's not your typical framing word, but it works. Grab the old Bosch GCL 25 Professional laser. Turn it on. Turning it on is very, very helpful. Push the button once, which just dots, not lines. Ooh, we're not even in the right time zone here. Are you even on? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Close. I don't know if you can see that, it's so faint. Oh, smidgen too far. Oh, it's too far the other way now. Yeah. Right on the string. Work it. It's right beside the string. Yeah. On the string. Perfect. Concrete nail. Okay. Okay, so that is the end of day one. Not bad. Got all the sill plates, pressure treated sill plates in place, my bearing walls, and my foundation walls. So, start cutting plates for the bearing walls tomorrow. See how that goes. It's been fun. A little warm today, but it's all good. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.